Hi. Let's see. Here is my ID. Alright, so for my project, I'm going to be doing project 3 with the limiting reactant. So you start out with 125 grams of titanium solid and oxygen. So overall that's 1 mole of titanium plus 1 mole of O2, and then react to this. And so first, in order to find, the equation's balanced as it is, so you find the, you gotta find how much can be made, how much of titanium oxide can be made with each reactant. So you start out with 125.0 grams of titanium first. And you have to multiply that by 1 mole of titanium, which is what you have in the equation, over the molar mass of titanium. In order to change this to moles, so 1 mole of titanium is 47.867 grams. Titanium, do that to cancel out grams, and then you multiply. So you want to get to moles of titanium oxide now. So you put 1 mole of titanium oxide over 1 mole of titanium. And now you want to find the molar mass of titanium oxide, so you put 79.865 grams of titanium oxide, which is its molar mass, over 1 mole of titanium oxide. So I do it with the bars instead of just like fractions and multiplications. So you do all of the math. So it's 125 times. So it equals out to 208.56 grams of titanium oxide can be made when you're given 125 grams of titanium. So you basically just do the same thing again for the O2. So you put 125.0 grams of O2. You want to get it to moles of O2 at first, so you're going to do 1 mole of O2. Now usually oxygen's molar mass when it's singular is 15.999, but it's O2 in this, so it's actually 31.998 grams for O2. That's its molar mass. So there you're able to cancel out grams. And now you want to get it to moles of titanium oxide. So you put 1 mole titanium oxide over 1 mole of O2. You cancel out moles of O2, and then you want the molar mass of titanium oxide. So, and it's the same as last time. So you put 79.865 grams titanium oxide over 1 mole titanium oxide. So you do all the math. This is second rows. What's going on there? And then you do the math, and it's about 311.99 grams of titanium oxide can be made when you're given 125 grams of oxygen. So the limiting reactant will be the one that can make less, and 125 grams of titanium can only make 208.56 grams of titanium oxide. So limiting reactant is the titanium. So there you go, wrote that. And then, so how much titanium oxide can be made? It's just the amount that you made with your limiting reactant. So this amount is how much can be made. So 208.56 grams of titanium oxide can be made. And then, so that means no grams of no grams of titanium are going to be left over. In order to find how many grams of oxygen are going to be used, you got to find, or left over, you have to find how many are used. So you're going to put 125 grams of 25.0 grams of titanium. You want to get to moles of titanium, so 1 mole titanium is 47.867 grams. Cancel out grams. And then you want to get to moles of oxygen, so you gotta 1 mole. So you put 1 mole of oxygen over 1 mole of titanium, cancel out. And then you put the molar mass of oxygen So that's 39 or 31.998 grams of O2 over 1 mole of oxygen. You do so that equals out to about 85.56 grams of oxygen consumed. So the bottom is that. And in order to find how many are left over, you just take the original amount you had and divide, and then subtract from that how many were consumed. So it'll be 125.0 minus 85.56. And that equals 39.44 grams of O2 left over. And then I wrote that right here. All right, and that's it.